Hey, look at this everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install One UI 8 Fluffy icons on your any Galaxy device. And this is absolutely free. So let's begin. Okay guys, first check out description and download icons zip file. After download, simply extract the zip file on your Galaxy device. After extract, in gallery, look at this all One UI 8 Fluffy icon in PNG format like this. Now let me show you how to apply these icon packs one by one. Simply go to Galaxy Store, download Goodlock and open. After open, download Theme Park plugin. After download Theme Park plugin, simply tap on icon, tap on create new and tap on this plus button. Actually, main reason of this option, you set any custom image from gallery on your any icons like this. Simply tap and guys, first let me show you call icon. Look at this, simply find call icon, tap, choose gallery and find Fluffy icons and simply find call icon, tap and look at this guys, my One UI 8 normal icon convert into Fluffy icon. I apply custom image on my system icon. Now set all one by one icons like this. Okay, number 2, setting, find setting, tap, find setting in icon packs PNG format, tap and look at this setting. Number 3, contact, tap, choose contact like this. After set all custom images on your all icons, now simply go back and simply tap on download button, rename, tap on OK and simply apply this icon pack. After apply, look at this guys, these One UI 8 Fluffy icons on your Galaxy device. This is really looking amazing. So guys, you also transform your any Galaxy with this icon. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.